A salute to the humanity in mental health care. Shivam, the man who was lost and found his home again. 10 years ago, a devastating day changed everything. Shivam, a young man from a small village in Uttarakhand, was swept away in the floods. Struggling to survive, he somehow reached Maharashtra. In Sambhajinagar's Vaizapur, he began working as a priest in a local temple. But fate had another shock waiting for him. A theft occurred at the temple. The thieves falsely took his name and a case was filed against him. The accusation scarred him deeply. Under unbearable mental stress, his condition deteriorated. In 2021, the police brought him to Yerwada mental hospital for treatment. By then, he had forgotten everything. His name, village, family, even his own identity. Trauma had erased his past completely. Alone, unstable, wandering, all he knew was that places of worship were his only shelter. But even there, he found no peace. With no ID, no memory, and no one to claim him, his mind slipped further into darkness. The police admitted him to Yerwada Mental Hospital. And that is where the real story of humanity began. For the next 4 years, Shivam received unwavering care, medicines, therapy, and above all, compassion. Doctors, nurses, and the entire rehabilitation team treated him not just as a patient, but as a human being who needed dignity, warmth, and hope. They ensured he bathed daily, wore clean clothes, ate properly. They talked to him, listened to him, and helped him reconnect with the world. Slowly, his voice returned. His fragmented words became clues. The team began piecing together the puzzle of his identity. Through repeated conversations, he shared bits of information about his village and school. Hospital social welfare officer Rohini Bhosle kept gently talking to him, gathering every little detail. With those faint clues, she searched online, contacted local police using video calls, and finally reached out to his relatives. And then, a stunning truth emerged. Shivam had been declared dead. During the Kedarnath cloudburst, he had gone missing. Despite all search efforts, police and family could not find him. Believing he had perished, they had performed final rites. And now, after 10 long years, they were told, "Your Shivam is alive." When the hospital contacted his family, there was disbelief, tears, joy, shock, all at once. And then came the emotional moment. When the family arrived at Yerwada Mental Hospital, Shivam saw them and his eyes filled with tears. He hugged them tightly, as if reclaiming a decade he had lost. That single embrace healed 10 years of pain. Doctors, nurses, ward boys, counselors, everyone witnessed the miracle. Their faces showed what true humanity looks like. Because they had not just treated a patient, they had brought a dead man back to life, in body, mind, and identity. Hospital staff also proved in court that the theft case against him was false. The case was withdrawn, giving him complete freedom and a fresh start. Rohini Bhosle beautifully says, "We don't just give treatment, we reconnect souls. We bring lost people back home. We are employees, yes, but we are human beings first." This is not just Shivam's story. It is the story of humanity, service, and unwavering faith. Many patients admitted with memory loss have been reunited with their families at this regional mental hospital. Because here, treatment is not limited to medicine. Here, the mind speaks to the mind. A heartfelt salute to the compassionate hands at Yerwada Mental Hospital. Hands that restore identity, rebuild lives, and keep humanity alive in public health service. Script by State Health Information Education and Communication Bureau, Pune.